Looking for home decorating ideas on a budget? Today is the last stop of my 4-part series and we're heading into Arhaus. I'll show you what's new and trending, so whether you're shopping here or at more affordable stores, you'll know exactly how to spot a designer look for less. I'll share my best tips for recreating these designer ideas at Target, HomeGoods, and Amazon, so stick around for all the budget-friendly inspiration. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Nikki D, and I'm here to help you make your home look expensive without breaking the bank. Make sure to subscribe for a new video every Sunday. Now let's head into Arhaus, which is one of my favorite showrooms for getting designer ideas on a budget. I only discovered Arhaus when I was working as a design consultant at a competitor. At first I thought the name was Our House, but it's pronounced Arhaus. They're known for sustainability, using reclaimed wood, hand-forged materials, and partnering with artisans around the world. So when you shop here, you're not just buying furniture, you're investing in pieces with a story. I've honestly been obsessed ever since, even though many people I know, like my mom, have never heard of it. The first thing I saw when I walked into Arhaus was this stunning espresso stone table with a wood base. It was styled with pendant lights above, a round area rug underneath, and ottomans tucked in for extra seating. Small details make a big impact, like the contrasting white textured vases that popped against the darker stone. White was repeated in the candles on the gold holders, which naturally draws your eyes up. Don't feel like you need a huge entryway to get this look. You could create a styled moment like this in an empty corner of any size space. Another idea for your entryway was this sculptural console table paired with a round mirror and layered contrasting decor. When walking through stores like Arhaus, pay attention to the way they style things. An even better idea is to take a quick picture on your phone. Then when you're out and about shopping at stores like HomeGoods or Target, you'll be able to spot those look for less pieces. For example, I saw a scalloped marble bowl at HomeGoods for $50 that looked almost identical to the $200 version at Arhaus. They also showed a more traditional setup with a console table style with lamps and artwork in between. And one of my favorite designer tricks was on display too. A tall pedestal with a floral arrangement in front of an arched mirror. It instantly creates a focal point and makes even a small space feel grand. Now, this pedestal will run you over $1,000 at Arhaus, but I have seen similar versions at HomeSense for a couple $100s. If you ever see one, grab it. They're perfect for elevating an entryway or filling an empty corner. You may have noticed a shift toward earthy colors. This is the palette of the season, and it was everywhere in the Arhaus showroom. If you're updating your living room layout, it's a great way to make neutrals feel cozy and expensive. Right near the entrance, I saw a mushroom leather sectional paired with an organic coffee table that looked like a tree trunk layered with cozy textures. This sectional was about as close to gray as you'll find on their floor. Most of the sofas and sectionals were shown in neutral ivory performance fabrics like Krypton, which is stain resistant and durable. For color, there was a navy sofa on display that had more of a traditional setting, but the real trendsetter was on the second floor. A pair of gorgeous channel back curved velvet sofas in a cinnamon color. They were styled with earthy neutrals and layers of texture. Now, while I love this color, it's definitely part of the current trend. So unless cinnamon has always been your favorite, I recommend adding it through decor and accessories. Your sofa is the largest piece in your living room and one of the biggest investments. That's why I always recommend going neutral. A neutral sofa gives you flexibility. You could completely change your color palette just by updating the pillows, artwork, and your area rug. It's a much more affordable way to keep up with the trends than replacing your sofa every few years. Just like I showed you at Crate & Barrel, Arhaus is a great source for living room layout ideas. I'm obsessed with their curved sofa for a contemporary look, but you do need a large space to pull it off. Always measure and create a floor plan before you invest. Another timeless layout idea is a sofa paired with 2 accent chairs. It's perfect for transitional spaces. And for a more casual laid-back vibe, go with the modular sofa. I love the idea of using an ottoman in the center for open layouts. It connects the spaces beautifully and gives you extra seating from either side. At the end of the day, it really comes down to your style and your room. For help with both, I linked my design quiz and a floor plan PDF. These tools will help you discover your style and plan the perfect layout for your space. This next idea is one you'll definitely want to save. Arhaus is so good at showing creative ways to use accent furniture. These are the pieces that make a space feel unique and special. Throughout the showroom, there were layered groupings of small tables in different heights and materials. This is a fresh way to update the look of just one oversized side table. The beauty of this look is the flexibility. You can move the smaller tables around if needed. Some displays even combine tables with ottomans that can be pulled out for extra seating. That said, like anything else in design, this can be overdone. For example, in the center of the cinnamon velvet sofas, there were 4 tables bunched together instead of a larger coffee table. Personally, I felt this was a little bit too much and too busy, but let me know your thoughts in the comments. Aside from tables, ottomans are used as part of the seating arrangement. They're an easy way to introduce a pop of color, pattern, or texture without committing to a big piece. You'll also find accent chairs throughout the Arhaus showroom, from living rooms to bedrooms. This is the perfect place to go a little trendier than your sofa, whether it's a mixed material frame or a bold pop of color. And we can't skip the bar furniture. Arhaus has a wide range of bar cabinet ideas, which I love as a stylish way to organize and display your alcohol collection. We have one in our sitting room from Crate & Barrel, and it's been a total game changer. It's functional, close to the kitchen, and makes a statement all at once. There was also this beautiful bar height table with stools that would complement it perfectly. Arch details are trending in architecture right now, and one of the easiest ways to bring it into your home is with an arched cabinet. It's a great way to get the look without the construction costs. You could use the open shelving to display books, decor, and collectibles, while the bottom cabinets with the solid doors will keep your clutter out of sight. For a bolder option, this X-shaped bookcase will make a statement and is perfect to highlight your books and decor collection. If you have the space, another idea is to place a cabinet behind your sofa instead of the classic open design. This adds a surface for a lamp or decor on top while giving you hidden storage inside. It's a stylish and practical solution. Arhaus is full of bedroom inspiration, from upholstered beds to mixed material frames and dramatic canopy styles. They instantly elevate the room and make a big statement. Now, you can find look for less upholstered beds at places like Walmart, but aside from the construction, the fabric most likely isn't performance. This is important because it means that if you lean your head against the headboard with products in your hair or on your skin, it will stain. Keep that in mind because your bed is another investment piece like your sofa that you want to last. You'll also find a lot of ideas at Arhaus to make your bedroom look more expensive. For example, even in your bedroom, you want to have layered lighting, like a pair of stylish table lamps combined with an oversized chandelier for a warm designer vibe. One thing you should know is just because the showroom shows matching furniture sets, it doesn't mean that you have to buy it that way. Getting creative with coordinating nightstands and then choosing a different dresser is a designer trick that'll make your room look more curated and custom. Another detail you'll see is accent furniture in the bedroom, like this cozy moment with an accent chair and side table. If you have the space, place 2 chairs at the foot of your bed with layered tables. Another timeless option is a simple bench style with a pillow throw and side table for an elevated vibe. And don't forget your bedding. If you're starting off with a bed in the bag set, split it up and then update it by layering in different textures and fabrics. Yes, it may take a little more time and energy to make your bed each day, but the end result is a high-end designer look. You also don't need to overdo it with pillows on your bed. It could be as simple as 2 printed pillows with a contrasting throw, or even just 1 long velvet lumbar pillow. If you're looking to invest in a quality dining table and chairs, Arhaus is the place. Their tables often have mixed materials like wood with stone or metal, and the details feel really high-end. They also have a great selection of linear chandeliers which look fabulous hung over a long dining table. If you need storage, those arch cabinets we saw earlier also work beautifully in a dining room. Or you could go with an open shelving piece, but only if you don't mind dusting. Another thing I love about Arhaus is how they style the center of a dining table. You'll see simple groupings like a tray with a vase and candles that instantly make the table look intentional and designer. One of my favorite setups was this small space dining moment with the round rug, pedestal table, brass chandelier, and oversized mirror behind it. The mirror reflects the light and makes the whole space feel so much larger. This is such a great trick if you're working with a small dining area. These next ideas are perfect if you're looking to create a home office or even just a small work zone in your space. One setup featured an executive desk with tons of storage on both the front and back. It's designed to float in the room, and you could style it with a cabinet or bookshelf behind. Add in layered lighting like sconces, table lamps, or even an elegant chandelier, and suddenly your office feels like a designer showroom. Honestly, with a setup this stylish, work-life balance might be a little difficult. If you're working with a smaller space, Arhaus also had this sleek marble and reeded desk. It has a clean design with just one drawer to tuck away pens and papers so everything stays out of sight. Another option I love was this writing desk that didn't even look like a desk at first glance. It had a kidney-shaped marble top with brass legs, which feels like a sculptural piece of art. This would be perfect if you just need a spot to jot down ideas but don't want your space to scream home office. I love looking at the wall decor throughout Arhaus because I always come away with so many ideas. You'll see everything from oversized art with picture lights above to decorative mirrors and wall sculptures. One of my favorite displays had 2 large arch mirrors, an oversized piece of art in between, and sconces on either side. It was dramatic and layered, exactly the kind of setup that makes a room feel designed. For something more unconventional, there were metal sculptures and carved wood panels. They are investment pieces at Arhaus, but if you know what you're looking for, you could definitely get lucky and find a look for less at HomeGoods or even World Market. We've already seen how Arhaus layers lighting, so I won't spend too much time here. But just know they're a great resource for unique fixtures. From picture lights to sconces to oversized chandeliers, they have it all. One look I especially loved was using floor lamps at either side of a sofa. It's a fresh update to the classic 2-table lamp setup and really helps define the seating area. You'll see sculptural floor lamps and even those popular task floor lamps, which you can definitely find affordable versions of. And of course, we can't leave Arhaus without talking decor styling. Everywhere you look, you'll see vases styled with faux greenery, groupings of candles, and trays layered with sculptural accents. Oversized planters were shown throughout the store. They're perfect for filling an empty corner or styling next to your sofa, dining table, or even in the bedroom. My personal favorite find was the decorative games. They had a wooden tic-tac-toe set that felt like art and function all in one. Yes, it's an investment, but it's also a fun conversation starter when friends or family visit. If you have the space, you could even create a game moment with a faux fur rug, accent chairs, and a table styled with a high-end chess set. It's both designer and interactive. So that's a full walkthrough of Arhaus decorating ideas on a budget. Even if you don't plan to shop here, it's one of the best places to get inspiration, learn how to style like a designer, and then recreate the look for less at your favorite affordable stores. I'll link my favorite Arhaus pieces in the description so you could check them out. And if you're ready to take your design skills to that next level, check out my course Designer Home 101, where I walk you through step by step through designing your dream room. The link is below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the other parts in this series. We've already looked at decorating ideas from Pottery Barn, West Elm, and Crate and Barrel. They're also linked below. And don't forget to give the video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss next Sunday's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Until then, happy designing. Ciao.